spot. I'm going to show you. Check it out. Simple Seed, cannabis, health and lifestyle. Nice wellness store. And he's a legend at wellness. I saw this earlier. No matter how it goes, how much it gets abused, the body can restore balance. The first rule is to stop interfering with nature. Deepak Chopra. Wellness is an important part of the cannabis lifestyle and the industry, and it would be good to see this kind of stuff happening everywhere in order to bring natural medicine alive. How's it, Andy? I'm gonna say how's it. How you doing?
Good, and you?
Cool, man. Andy, how long you been here for?
Simple Seed has been going for almost 7 years now.
Okay.
We started just before COVID.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's been going well. We started the members club with Dang Street like a year and a half ago, and that's also gone really well. And yeah, we love the juxtaposition of the members club versus your health and wellness products, your oils and edibles. Skincare stuff is all really great, and got some awesome regular customers who really enjoy the products and get great benefits from the cannabis products. So,
Also, is that in specific relation to the wellness products?
correct.
Okay. Because I've just mentioned now that if all stores went the wellness route, I suppose educationally as well, they would all do much better. It would help to rise the wellness industry and the natural medicine market.
Yes, and also just to get over that stigma of cannabis being this evil
Yeah,
thing,
hundreds.
the education of people has been a huge thing over the last 6-7 years to get people to realize the benefits of cannabis and not the dangers kind of thing. So that's been a really great thing to see the people's perceptions of cannabis changing. And that's
Awesome.
been awesome. Yeah, that's been a great thing to educate people and get them to have a conversation about it and think about it and start, maybe start slowly with something like a little tea or a cookie or a gummy, something that's familiar to them.
Yeah.
And then they can get the benefits and the wellness that they need from the different products. And it's each person being unique. They need to find what works for them. And once they find something that does work for them, it's a game changer.
Yeah. It's a long journey.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Thanks, Andy.
Awesome.
Much appreciated.
Sure, guys. All the best.
Thank you, guys. Keep rolling. Follow. Don't follow. Subscribe. Don't subscribe. But join us and keep rolling.